Hey guys, back with another video. In this video, I want to cover how to remove the background from your images that you're planning on using for your Amazon listing. Your first image on Amazon listing is required to have a white background according to Amazon terms of service. So you want to make sure that your main image has a completely white background. And I got a website that's going to make it super easy for you. No Photoshop needed, no nothing. It's called clippingmagic.com. It's pretty cheap too. The pricing on this, let's go over to pricing, is for the light plan is 15 credits a month, so you can get up to 15 images a month for only $4. I mean, that's pretty. It's not a bad deal. So, and if you don't actually use all your credits, they roll over to the next month to up to 75 on the light plan. So anyways, let me show you how this site works. It's a really handy tool to have. I use it for creating ads and all kinds of stuff in my business. So, all right, so we'll go back to Clipping Magic homepage, and let's go and grab an image off of Google just for an example. Of course, make sure you're taking your own images. This is just for an example. Don't go taking images off the internet and putting them on Amazon, because that'll get you in some trouble too. So make sure you're taking your own images. Let's use a backpack for this example. So we'll just type in backpack. Let's go over to images and see if we can find an image just for this example so I can show you how this works. Here we go. We can use this one right here. This looks like an image that would probably be something similar to what you would get when you're making your own images. So let me drag that over to my desktop, and let's go back to Clipping Magic. Okay, so now we're gonna upload this image onto Clipping Magic. I'll drop it in there. And then you're going to come up to a screen like this, and on the left side it's going to have your original image, and on the right side it's going to show you what part of the background is being taken out as we go. So the way this works is you have this green plus sign, this negative red sign. So select the green and just start coloring in what you want to keep. So you don't have to get every area. It actually is pretty good at realizing what parts you want once you start getting pretty close. So I try to, and you can kind of zoom in. We'll want to keep this part, this little strap here. We'll probably want to keep the top part. Alright, and now let's go out and take out the background. So, and you can see on the right hand side it's starting to take out the background. So we'll take out this middle part here, and we'll touch it up here in a second. It's really good with being able to touch it up, but for the most part it gets most of it on the first try, and you see how far we are in, and we've only been working on this for a minute or two. Come over here, get this a little tighter. I think that's good. I think the strap actually goes up here. That looks better. Okay, and then let's do a little touch up on this side. Looks good. So I would be, yeah, that looks good. Zippers look really good. I mean, if you really want to get picky with it, you can come in here and kind of cut this out. Yeah, and there goes your final result right here. So this would be everything. I would use this image, and you just come over here and click download and download the image, and then you would have an image that has the background completely removed. That took less than 2-3 minutes to do that. So hope this helps, and stay tuned because I have more videos coming out, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. All right, thanks guys. Talk to you later. Bye.